Today we are going to discuss about the percentages. So what does percentage means? Percentage simply means out of 100. Example is 25% means 25% out of 100, or you can say 0.25. 60% means 60 out of 100. 60 divided by 100, that is 0. 0.6, and 150% means that 1.5, simply 150 divided by 100. So what is percentage increase? The percentage increase means the value becomes larger due to increase. So what is the formula? Simple: increase is equal to original into percentage. So when we calculate the increase, then new value would be original plus that increase. Okay. There is another formula, that is new value is equal to original into 1 plus percentage as a decimal point. Okay. We will multiply it. We will do questions and then you will get to know about it. Okay. Now we are going to do our first question. That is, that is, for example, example 1. Example 1 is a laptop cost 800 pounds. Its price increases by its price increases by 15%. By 15%. So find the new price. Simple. Find the new price. So how we are going to do this? Simply, first, what is 15%? We have already discussed that 15% means 15 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.15. Okay. So what is the increase in the price? So we are going to calculate this. Next step is increase. Increase is equal to 800 into 0.15. That will give us 120 pounds. Sorry, that is not good representation of pound, but that's okay. So new price or final price would be equal to 800, that is the original value, and that 120 is the increase in price. So that would be equal to 900 920 pounds. Now we will do one more example on that. That is simply example 2. We will write the example: a salary of 2500 increases by 8%. Find the new salary. Find the new salary. So how we are going to do? First, we are going to find the increase, and then we will add that increase with the original value. So increase is simply equal to 2500 into what is the increase? Increase is 8%. 8% means 800 divided by, sorry, 8 divided by 100. So that would be equal to 0.08, and that is equal to dollar, sorry, pound 200. Now what is the increase in total salary? What would be the new salary? So simply we are going to add original value plus increase, and that will give us the total amount increase due to that, that is 2700 pounds. Now we have discussed about the price increase. Now we are going to do price decrease or percentage decrease. Okay, so percentage decrease. So percentage decrease means the value becomes smaller. Formula is simple. Formula is decrease is equal to original into percentage. Okay, and new value new value would be equal to original minus decrease. Okay, or we or you can also use the shorter way, that is, or new value is simply equal to new value is equal to original into 1 minus percentage. Percentage. So now we are going to do first question on that thing, percentage decrease. Question is a phone cost, for example, 600 pounds. Okay, and it is discounted. Discounted means price decrease. Discounted by 20%. Find the sale price. Find the sale price. So original value is 600. Discount is 20%. So first we will find the decrease. So decrease is simply 20%. 20% means 20 divided by 100, that is 0.2 into original value. Original value is 600, so that will give us 120 pounds. Okay, so that is 120 pounds. So sale price will become 600 minus 120. That will give us 100 sorry 480 pounds. Faster method, there is also faster method, that is simply faster method that we can use is simply 600 into 20% decrease. So that is 0.80% remains, so that would be 0.8, so that will again give you 480 pounds. Now finding percentage increase. So now what is percentage increase? Finding percentage increase. So percentage increase is equal to increase divided by original value into 100. So now we will do a question, that is example, a bicycle price rises from 500 to 650. So find the percentage increase. So increase is simply, first we will find increase. So increase is simply, now the price is 650, the old price is 500, so price increase is 150. Now how we can find percentage increase? So simply percentage increase is simply what? Increase divided by original value. Increase is 150 divided by 500 into 100. So that will give you 30% increase. Okay, that is 30% increase. Now we are going to talk about percentage decrease. Now what is percentage decrease? Now what is this thing? So percentage decrease is simply, I will just write percentage DEC, that's mean percentage decrease is equal to decrease minus original, sorry, divided by original into 100. So for example, that is an example, our TV falls in price from 900 to 720. So find the percentage decrease. So first we will find the decrease. Decrease is simply original price minus discounted price, that would be 180. So now we will find percentage decrease. Percentage decrease simply is equal to this discounted price, the price decreases, divided by original price, that is 900 into 100. So that will give you about 20. Okay, if you want to go deep, you can take online classes as well. So finding the original price, if they have not given you the original price, so how we are going to finding the original price? So formula for that is simple. Formula is original value is equal to value final value divided by multiply. So now we are going to do question on that. So for examples are important so you can understand the concept. A jacket cost 72 after 10% discount. After 10% discount. So how we are going to find the original price? So multiplier is what? Multiplier is the value that has been decreased. So uh, subtract the value that has been decreased. So 10% has been decreased, so remaining price would be 90%. So we will do just, I will write original, ORIG, original value is equal to final value is 72 and divided by 0.9. So that will give me original value, that is 80 pounds. Now one more question and then we are going to end the lecture. If you have any question you can ask me. I will give you my number at the end of the class. A car cost 24,150 after 15% 25% increase. Find original value. So how we are going to do this? So multiply here is, that is an increase, so we will add 1 plus 1 plus what is the value of increase? 0.15. So multiplier would be 1.15. So original value would be equal to, after increase the price is 2410 or 24150 divided by 1.15. So the answer is simply equal to 21,000 pounds. That's all about it. If you want any question, you can let us know and we will help you with that.